Can you guess the dish? What ingredients do we need to make this food? What steps do we follow to make this? A recipe tells us what ingredients we need and what steps do we follow to make something. Hello, fantastic heroes! Welcome to Hero Academy. In this session, we're gonna discuss a recipe text. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to identify the key features of a recipe text, such as title, ingredients, instructions, and sequence words. You'll be able to read and understand a short recipe text. You'll be able to write a simple recipe using correct sequence words such as first, next, then finally. And the last one, you'll be able to use imperative verbs such as pour, stir, cut, and mix. Okay, now let's take a look at the example of a recipe text on the board here. The title of this recipe is How to Make a Fruit Salad. And we need the ingredients: 1 piece of apple, 1 banana, a half cup of grapes, and 1 spoon of honey. And let's take a look at the instructions how to make a fruit salad here. First, wash and cut the fruits. Then, put them in a bowl. Next, we need to pour honey on top. And finally, mix well and enjoy. Now let's analyze this simple short recipe text here. What is the title of this text? The title is How to Make a Fruit Salad. And the key features of this recipe text is the next ingredients. What ingredients do we need to make this recipe? And here are mentioned clearly and completely to show our audience so they can understand how to make this recipe. And the next feature is instructions, telling us what to do to make this. And we need sequence words here to make this text clear to follow. First, wash and cut the fruits. Next, put them in a bowl. Then, pour honey on top. Finally, mix well and enjoy. So, which are the sequence words that we use here? The sequence words are first, next, then, finally, to give clear idea so our audience or our listener can follow these steps to make the recipe, to make the food using this recipe correctly. Okay, all of you fantastic heroes, thank you for following and thank you for watching this video. What do you think about this video today? If you love this video, please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's learn and grow together with Hero Academy and see you on our next video. Goodbye.